Data and research are a really critical component for how people guide their decisions. The thing that's missing from the data and research unto itself is really how conversations can add the additional context and personalization that you need to drive your decisions. Because as we all know, being an executive can be a lonely journey for some, and connecting with a peer who's faced the same challenges can really help you feel like you have the right support in driving things forward. Research that we ran recently, especially over the last year, actually suggested that 5 of the 10 sources that executives turn to for driving their decisions are actually peer related. Whether it's a small group, whether it's an email thread, whether it's a local event, or even sort of more global events that they turn to, seasoned executives know the importance of this. However, they don't have the time and space to think about how to build these networks up over time. And as importantly, they're unable to figure out how to maintain these relationships even as they're growing their community. What often ends up happening is they rely on their same sort of 5 buddies that they turn to for all of their questions. It becomes this very fragmented hodgepodge experience that they're not able to lean on consistently. And as importantly, sometimes they're not able to carry forward as they transition workplace from one inbox to the other. My Eureka moment came in when we attended the group CIO dinner. The first thing was that the dinner was actually positioned as CIO group therapy, partly as a joke, but partly also to create a safe space where people can come in, and it's not just expected, but sort of encouraged to be vulnerable and drop your mask and unburden yourself. And the second part that we uncovered was it really humanized a lot of the CIOs. We realized as much as there is a CIO in the 9-to-5 life, there is a 5-to-9 life where they're humans first. And if we can go and connect with them and construct a platform where they can come in and sort of have that camaraderie that was expressed at that dinner, that would be really powerful. Peers are especially important now as business environments are changing more rapidly than ever before. COVID accelerated how quickly companies had to transform, and users are now looking to learn from each other how they're facing these challenges and coming up with solutions that can apply to them as well. A network is a place where you can go and get stuff you need. A community is a place where you both give and get. What will make this community the place that people want to go to? And the 3 things we came up with were: make this a trusted place by showing faces, make this a place that isn't just about work, but also informal conversations that you often have, and make this a place and an experience that is fun, convenient, fast, and as importantly, easy to use.